As much as we'd like to be connected to Wi-Fi and internet all the time, it isn't always possible. There may be times where you have the capacity to reply to emails, but you may not have a connection. For example, while traveling. In Gmail, you have the ability to work on your mails offline. However, there are some settings and considerations that need to be made in order to do this successfully. Let's get you set up to use Gmail offline. From Gmail, start by clicking on your settings gear. As your quick setting menus opens, select See All Settings. This will open up all the settings of your mailbox. Your settings will open onto your General Settings page. Navigate to the page titled Offline. In order to set this up, you will need to select Enable Offline Mail. The first thing you want to decide is how far back you want to have access to your mails offline. You can choose to either have your mails available from the past week, month, or for 90 days. Here, you can decide whether or not you would like attachments to be downloaded as well. The next decision is going to be focused on how you want these offline mails to be stored. If you are using a device that only you use and is password restricted, you can use the setting to keep offline data on my computer. This will be saved as a file on your computer and will remain there even if you are logged out of Chrome. You will need to disable offline mail from your Gmail settings in order to remove that offline data on your computer. The option to remove offline data from my computer will remove the data from your computer when you sign out of Chrome. When you sign in again, it will need to resync all that mail again. This can slow down your mail. Once you have decided what setting is best for you, choose to save changes. This pop-up is just a reminder that using offline mail is not advised when using a shared device. Your mailbox will reload. Add a bookmark to your Bookmarks bar so that you can access your offline mail when you do not have a connection. Simply click on the star icon at the end of your Omnibox. You can remove the text that appears. Ensure that it is added to your Bookmarks bar and select Done. Your mailbox is now accessible from your Bookmarks bar. If your Bookmarks bar is not visible, be sure to head to the top right-hand side of your browser. Click on the three dots, head down to Bookmarks, and choose to Show Bookmarks bar. Notice that above our mail is the syncing progression icon. When all your mails are ready to be used offline, this syncing icon will change to a little circle and a tick. This means that your mailbox is ready to be used offline. Let's discuss how to access these mails when you are offline. When you do not have a connection, you will still open up Gmail in the usual way. Open Google Chrome. Click on the bookmark icon for Gmail. Your mailbox will open and you will still be able to send mails while you do not have a connection. When you have a connection again, these mails will automatically be sent. It's as easy as that. We will all continue to strive for having better and equal access to a data connection. But we hope that for now, not having a connection does not stop you from getting done what you need to do.